Hello everyone, you are watching Atmosphere, and in this video we will be discussing that whether you need to be really good in drawing for doing architecture or not. As you know that architecture is a field full of creativeness and business and public relations. So in creativeness, do you really need to know drawing before joining any architecture college or not? We will be discussing in this video, so watch this video till the end. So what students think is that if they don't know drawing and they are not as artistic in drawing, so they won't be getting in architecture college and they will be having a lot of difficulty in architecture. I want to clear that it's not like that you have to be really good in drawing and you have to be like an artist and you will be able to create really good sketches and really good portraits of a person or maybe anything that you want to draw. But actually it's not required in architecture college and it's not mandatory for doing architecture. So what happened in architecture is that in your first year and second year you will be needing sketching. That is the only time that you will be needing sketching a lot. So what happened after third year and fourth year, you will be shifting to your laptop. So there are many software available in the market that can help you to visualize things and to present your ideas. So what is the basic of drawing is to present your ideas and present your thought of what you are designing. So if you have these software with you and you don't know how to sketch, then still you are sorted because you are able to present yourself. So even in first year and second year, you will be not doing your artistic sketching and artistic drawing of portrait and very nice sketches. You will be just needing your drawing skill for your drafting purpose and for few subjects such as graphics, in which you will be making some sketches, but it won't be necessary that you have to make really good sketches in that. So one more thing guys is that drawing is a skill that if you don't know, it's okay, you can do architecture, but I would suggest that please work on that skill because this skill will help you a lot. Because what happens is that if you are not able to present your idea with your software, because software will be taking a lot of time, and if a teacher, if a faculty or maybe even your client in your real world will be needing your ideas frequently, then you can just sketch them out and show them what is your plan of doing, and you can even sketch some plan, section, elevation, and they will be getting a rough idea. Okay, so that is the plan of you that you will be executing. So that is the plus point of sketching. So if you don't know it, you can definitely learn it in college. So when you will joining an architecture college, then it will be expected that you know nothing about architecture, and in architecture college they are there to help you out with anything. So you won't be knowing about sketching, you won't be knowing anything about drawing, and you won't be knowing about software skill and even about designing. So they are there to guide you up and they are there to help you. And in architecture college, it's a 5 years of course, so you will definitely going to improve and you will definitely going to learn a lot of skills in the college. So if you don't know about sketching, it's totally alright and you can learn these skills in your college life. So guys, if you are not good in sketching and you want to join architecture college and you want to join architecture, it's absolutely right and you can definitely do so, and you will be learning a lot in architecture college. So there's no worry that you won't be knowing drawing and you won't be working on this skill. So it's absolutely right and you can definitely join the college. So guys, one more doubt that students have is that whether maths is really required in architecture. So what happened in architecture entrance exam is that a lot of maths and drawing question is asked. So people compare whether maths is also required in architecture college. So I want to clear you that maths is not mandatory. Like, you don't have to be really good in maths. You just need the basic of maths that is being taught from first to your class 12, and whatever you have learned in school will be really helpful for you, and you will be having a lot of complicated maths in architecture, and some of the subject that will be covering your math section will be your building construction and your structures. These are the most math related subject that you will be having, but you won't be having a very difficult math even in these subjects. So it's just simple addition, multiplication, and various other things that you will be needing for maths. So that is the only requirement of maths in architecture, and it's actually very easy to solve these numericals of structure, and but you have to understand the basic of these subjects. So these will be requiring a little bit of maths. That's all that you will be needing in architecture. So one more thing, in maths you should really understand your units, measurements, dimensions. So that is the main point of doing architecture, and rest is just basic maths. So be chill about maths. So you will be just having basic maths for architecture, and you can definitely do it if you are not really good in maths as well. So I have already told you that you don't have to be really good in maths and drawing to pursue architecture. But in your entrance examination for architecture college, you will be needing your maths and drawing, because that's the criteria that you have to go through to get a architecture college. So prepare for that till the entrance, and if you are not that good but still you can manage architecture college. So the aim of the video is that maths and drawing won't be deciding that you are eligible for architecture or not. But yeah, these are the skills that you should have, like these are the soft skills that you should have, and if you are good in it, then obviously it's a plus skill that you will be having after architecture. So guys, that's all for the video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and please follow me on Instagram as well for any queries and for any doubts. Till then, see you next time.